Welcome. If you want to connect AirPods Pro to your ZTE Blade A7s, at first you have to open notification bar, turn on Bluetooth, then click and hold this icon to enter settings. Right now we have to open charging case of our AirPods Pro, then rotate this device like that, and we have to click and hold this button until this indicator blinks on the white color. So click, hold, take a look here, it's blinking, so right now we can release the button and open here on the phone to pair new device. When the AirPods Pro going to pops on our list, we have to choose them. So click, tap pair, and as you can see right now our earphones are connected. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!